Charter Communications shares fell more than 18% on Friday after reporting it lost more internet customers than expected in the second quarter. Join us now with more on the sector, Jessica Reif Ehrlich, Bank of America Securities Senior U.S. Media and Entertainment Analyst. She has a new note out on Charter collateral damage. Comcast had a pretty rough session on Friday as well. What's happening, Jessica? Can you tell us?
Sure. Good morning. It's a very competitive and a mature market. So cable, which had been gaining share for more than a decade, is now just it's in a very difficult environment.
Yeah. How does it play out in the future? That was a pretty big move that we saw, obviously, on Charter. Is Charter getting the worst end of things, or do you expect the entire industry to have similar headwinds?
Yeah, no, this is an industry dynamic. You can see last week the telcos reported they gained share. Many of them have, especially T-Mobile, have a fixed wireless offering that's less expensive, and for consumers that are a little bit challenged, that may be an easier way to go. Cable has a very good product. They're coming back. They're offering price guarantees, which could pressure ARPU as we go forward. But from maybe a more positive perspective, Charter's been really innovative on the video side with streaming offerings basically for free. So if you're a Spectrum customer, Charter Spectrum customer, you're getting close to $100 in value for getting Peacock, Max, Paramount Plus, Disney Plus, etc. for free with your subscription. And that actually should result ultimately in more stable video subscribers. It's also good, really good for the programmers.
Jessica, we just looked at the stock chart. We're still looking at it of Charter. It was down 20% last week. Can you tell people that that's a buying opportunity or not?
Yeah, I mean, it's not. Look, it's not the challenges aren't going away. Second half will be difficult, but it's not an expensive stock. They have a really solid management team. They have a very good product, really good network, better offering. So it should be from here a lot better than the past week. But it's not. This is not going to turn around overnight.
What's the future just look like for media in general right now? I don't. Streaming was going to be it. Legacy wasn't worth anything. We've got spin-offs coming, from a couple of the major players. How do you see that shaking out, Jessica?
That's a lot more exciting than maybe cable is at the moment. We do expect, finally, after years of waiting, we expect a lot of M&A. So one deal, looks like it's about to close in the next week or so. And then with these spin-outs, Comcast with Versant and WBD splitting into two, we do think that there will be a lot of action. There's a lot of things going on with Warner Brothers Discovery, with their global networks. We expect that to be ultimately a roll-up of some assets, and a standalone Warner Brothers with HBO Max, maybe unlikely to be an independent studio for the long term. So there's bound to be a lot of movement in the next 1 to 2 years in media.
All right. Very good. Well, it is a moving target right now, exactly what media looks like. We don't, we're not involved. We don't, has nothing to do with us.
No vested interest, Jessica. We got no vested interest in this. Give me some hope. Is there any hope, Jessica?
It could be if it's a much bigger ice cube, putting them all together, it's going to take longer to melt. Is that the best? Is that the best thing I can say?
The growth story, Jessica.
The studios have great content, including your parent company. NBCU, I mean, look what Wicked did in the past year. They also have an amazing theme park operation. So Epic Universe.
Worried about them.
Sorry?
We're not worried about them. No, I'm kidding. We're wishing everybody well. We hope everyone wins, Jessica.